Today's video is brought to you by terrible video quality, but great audio quality. So, I've had this guitar be set up by some professionals, and in the process, I had the stock pickup swapped out for a Seymour Duncan Super Distortion. Not really by choice. It was a necessity because the stock one, for whatever reason, decided to quit putting out as much of an output. So I thought it was, and so did the other people, the people that wired it, thought it was shorting out. And I thought maybe it had been wired wrong. Well, it turns out both were true. It had been wired wrong, but also the output was still bad. And they replaced it with the Seymour Duncan. So interestingly enough, the position of these pickups in correlation to like the strings, as you can see, the bridge is significantly higher. Usually I like my guitars to be about even, usually, but so here is just a G chord in bridge position. Volume and tone are all the way up, and then here's one coil tapped bridge. Here's middle position, coil tapped neck. So I'm going to go back and forth between neck and bridge, and I want your opinion on the output of these pickups. Are Seymour Duncans intentionally lower output than I believe these are VH2 Ibanez pickups? I want another VH2. It just sounds so thin. It almost sounds like it's had a low cut, like, or a high pass, whatever you want to call it. Like, see, look, listen to that. Coil tapped neck, and yes, I know it's the neck. I get that, but the bridge pickup is also way high. So, WTF? So, yep. Thanks for watching, and thank you for your input. If you have any input on what could be going on, if you know anything about Seymour Duncan pickups, Ibanez VH2 pickups, Ibanez classic SCA made in Japan 220 guitars. This is one that was like, I think it was called like a space gray before. I just recently took that finish off, finished it in linseed oil with the mahogany wood. It's very beautiful, but I'm having issues with my electronics. I want some help. So, if anybody has any insight, that would be so cool. Anyway, thanks for hanging out, chilling with me, stuff. Why not do some really crappy guitar playing? Haven't spent much time with it recently. Nobody's fault but mine. Wow. This is my sad song. My sad song. So sad. Heavy breathing sad. My guitar's not working. Oh my gosh. But there's hope. There's also an airplane that's going over. Got stuck. See, the airplane got stuck.